Hello Quora users, today I'll walk you through the process of adding your educational details on Quora, allowing others to learn more about your background and expertise. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Quora account using your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to update your profile with your educational information. Navigate your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Profile. Here, you'll find options to edit your profile information, including your educational details. Scroll down to the Education section and click on the Add Education button. This will open up a form where you can enter your educational details. In the form, enter the details of your educational background, including your school or university, degree, field of study, and graduation year. Once you've entered your educational information, review it to ensure accuracy. Then, click Save Changes to update your profile with your educational details. Quora may ask you to verify your educational background by providing supporting documentation such as a diploma or transcript. Follow any instructions provided to complete the verification process if demanded. And that's it. You've successfully added your educational details on Quora. Your profile will now showcase your educational background, helping others better understand your expertise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.